day, everyone. Good day wherever you are. You are welcome to Juliet's home. Today we are making smoked catfish recipe. Where I came from, we call it EWI. Okay. Before we start, as I always do, I want to appreciate all my returning subscribers, my new subscribers, my viewers. God bless you all. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family. Thank you, everyone. This is our catfish. Okay, this is our catfish. This is our catfish. I washed the catfish already. As you can see, I clean it very well. Okay, this is it. You see, I clean everywhere. This I'm not going to remove that. Okay, the fire will remove it for me. This is our salt. I'm going to use the salt to rub it. Okay, this is it. You can as well do away with the salt, but when you use salt, you will enjoy it very well. You will feel the sweetness. Okay, just use the salt to rub it. The salt will give it more taste. Okay, this is how we are going to put the skewer. Okay, this is it. Just try and put it the way you can. Okay, we continue with the process. Okay, and be careful with your hands. Okay, this is it. This is it. Wow. This is how I'm going to cut the extra part of the skewer. Okay, just try and cut it away from the fish so that it will not be too long. Okay, this is it. I'm going to dry 6 catfish here. Okay, I have 6 here. Okay, this is it. Now I'm rubbing the red oil on top of the belly, the white side of it, not the back, not the black side. Okay, so it can give me the beautiful color. Okay, this is it. This is it. I'm turning it, you see. Okay, just try this and you will enjoy it. I separate the coal away from the fish. Okay, it's only the smoke I need. Okay, as you can see, I separate it away from it. Okay, so that it will dry very well. Okay, I want the liquid to dry away from the fish. Okay, this is it. Okay, if you are drying this fish, you need to have patience. Okay, this is it. I have 2 microfish there. I'm going to dry it with the catfish. This is my 2 microfish. Okay. You see, this is it. We are still drying it. This is the fish, this is the catfish and the microfish. You see, we are still drying it. We are not through. Wow, this is our fish. As you can see, it's very dry now. Wow. And beautiful ones, we are through drying in. This is so beautiful. Just try this.
The best recipe. Oh, yeah. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe subscribe.
Wow, my beautiful viewers, our smoked catfish is ready. As you can see, it's very, very, very dry. Can you hear the sound? This is good. This is good. Try this, try this, try this. This is so beautiful. Wow, I love it. Try this for your family, okay? Thank you, everyone. I love you all. Thank you, all my viewers, my returning subscribers. God bless you for your support. I really appreciate you all. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, as you are still watching me now, please subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell, okay? And share my video to your friends and family. Like my video too. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.
Share to your loved ones. Subscribe. Subscribe. Share to your loved ones. Subscribe.